Hi friends. In previous video we have studied about the biasing. Do you know biasing? What is biasing? To provide suitable DC voltage or DC analysis of any electronic circuit is called biasing. Um, Here we know about the bias. How many types of biasing? There are only three types of biasing. When no bias, first one is no bias, and second one is forward bias, and third one is reverse bias. No, we know about all the classification of three type of biasing. No bias when p-n junction is no bias. In this figure we know we understand the no bias circuit. In this case this is no voltage across the junction, hence the net displacement of chain circuit is zero, therefore current through the junction is zero. So no bias is not very useful for in electronic circuit. And now second one is we understand the forward bias. Forward bias, here the figure shown a p-n junction diode, and after completing the circuit diagram, in this case the voltage drop across the junction is greater than zero. Depletion width, in this case depletion width decreases. In this case current starts flowing after a fixed voltage. This voltage is known as threshold voltage or cutoff voltage. We understand, in this case this voltage is known as threshold voltage. We know about threshold voltage is that voltage then there the circuit conducts start current starts flowing. And we understand the cutoff voltage. It is the minimum voltage across p-n junction in forward bias case, so that current starts flowing. This voltage is known as cutoff voltage or threshold voltage. Threshold voltage is also known as the knee voltage. It is represented by VR or VT. VR is 0.7 volt for silicon crystal, and VR is 0.3 for germanium crystal. And here third one is reverse bias voltage. This is the circuit diagram of reverse biasing. When in reverse bias, फॉरवर्ड वाइज पी को पी कनेक्ट करते हैं, एंड आफ्टर देन पॉजिटिव को पॉजिटिव से कनेक्ट करते हैं. इन दिस केस द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस जंक्शन इज लेस देन जीरो. इन दिस केस voltage across the junction is less than zero. Depletion width increases, and the majority of charge carriers cannot participate in conduction mechanism. A very small current flow due to minority charge carrier, and this current is known as reverse saturation current and represented by I naught or IS. This current is the voltage independent and temperature dependent. At every 10 degree centigrade, this current becomes double. Here we understand, for example, T and T naught. I and I naught, 10 degree centigrade 2 microampere, and 20 degree centigrade 4 microampere, 30 degree centigrade 8 microampere. I naught dash equals to I naught 2 into T1 minus T by 10. This is the VI characteristics. Here this on this voltage is in the above figure. In this above figure, this is the IV characteristics of, this is the forward direction and this is the breakdown region. VR is the cutting voltage and I naught is the saturation current. Here we know about, after classification of biasing of a circuit, from the conclusion we have concluded that forward bias is the best classification for circuit and reverse bias is not suitable for any biasing of a circuit, and no bias is also not useful for electronic circuit. And now we have discussed about current equation for PN junction. This is the circuit diagram of PN junction. For forward bias, I equals to I naught e to the power v by eta vt minus 1, where I is the current through junction, I naught is reverse saturation current, V is voltage across junction, Vt is temperature equivalent voltage, eta equal to 1 for germanium and 2 for silicon. If not defined, eta equal to 1, Vt equal to Kt Ki by Q, Vt equal to T by 11,600 at room temperature 300 Kelvin. Vt equal to 300 by 11,600 equal to 26 millivolt. Case 1, no bias, V equal to 0 and I equals to I naught and I equals to I naught, I equals to 0. V by eta Vt e to the power V eta Vt minus 1, I equals to 0, I equals to 0 and V equals to 0. This is the IV characteristic, no current flows. And in case 1, forward bias, when forward bias V is greater than 0, I equals to I naught, I equals to I naught, I equals to I naught e to the power V eta Vt. Then this is the figure of, since e to the E positive is greater than 1, then this is the IV characteristics. After knee voltage, threshold voltage, this current increases, and reverse bias case, V is less than 0, negative, I equals to I naught e to the power of Vt minus 1. Since e to the power negative less than 0, electron less than 1, then this is the equation. This is the circuit diagram of I equals to minus I naught. This is the reverse bias, IV characteristics of reverse bias. Here we concluded that no bias equals to V equal to 0, current equals to also 0. In forward bias, V is greater than 0, I equal to I naught. This is the formula, I equal to I naught e to the power of V eta Vt. In reverse bias, V is less than 0, I equals to minus I naught. Now we have discussed about one solution of this question. At very high reverse bias voltage, a small current of 2 microampere at room temperature. Calculate the current through the diode at room temperature. Current voltage across junction is 52 millivolt. I naught equals to 2 microampere. V equals to 52 milliampere. I equal to I naught e to the power V eta Vt minus 1. I equals to 2. We put here e to the power 5 to 1 into 26 minus 1. I equals to 2 microampere, E square minus 1, I equals to 12.78 microampere. Resistance in PN junction, static resistance, DC resistance of R, static resistance, forward bias and reverse bias. Forward bias is RF, is not RF, and reverse bias is RH. And second one is dynamic resistance. Dynamic resistance is also known as AC resistance. We denote small r. This is also forward bias. We also further study about forward bias and reverse bias condition. If you want to further notification this video, then if you subscribe this channel, share also and like also this channel, and comment also. Your feedback is so important. Thank you.